The best freelance job to make money fast. If you need to make money fast, freelancing is the best way to do it. You don't need a degree, you don't need experience, and you can start today. I started freelancing with zero skill, and now I make a full time income working from anywhere. In this video, I will show you the best freelance job that pay fast, where to find client, and how to start earning today. Make sure you watch till the end because I will share a secret strategy to get high paying client easily. What is freelancing and why is it the best way to make money? Freelancing means offering service online to businesses or individuals. Instead of working a 9 to 5 job, you work for yourself and get paid per project. Before our best freelance job that pay fast. There are many ways to make money as a freelancer, but these jobs are the best for quick earning. First is content writing. Every website and businesses need content. If you can write simple blog post or articles, you can make money. Where to start? Fiverr, Upworks, and people per hour. And second is graphic design. Second is graphic design. If you know how to use Canva or Photoshop, you can create logo, social media post, and banner for client. Where to start? 99 designs, freelancer, and design crowd. Third is video editing. YouTubers and businesses need video editors. If you can edit simple videos, you can start earning today. Where to start? Fiverr and Upworks. For is virtual assistant. If you are good at ongoing schedules, managing emails, or handling simple admin work, you can become a virtual assistant. Where to start? Onlinejobs.ph and belay. Fifth is social media management. Businesses need help running their Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok accounts. You can get paid to post and reply to comments. Where to start? Upwork and Freelancer. How to get your first freelance client? Many people start freelancing but never get client because they don't follow the right step. Step 1. Choose one skill and focus on it. And step 2. Create a portfolio. Even if you have no experience, create simple work. And third is sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer and make an attractive profile. And step 4 is send proposal to client daily and offer your service at a competitive price. And step 5 is delivery high quality work and ask for review to build trust. Once you get your first few clients, You can increase your rates and make more money. Secret strategy to get high paying client first. Most freelancers work on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, but competition is high. The secret is cold emailing and LinkedIn outreach. Find a small businesses that need your service and send them a direct email with your portfolio. Most clients will pay you more than what you get on freelancing platform. Use LinkedIn to connect with businesses owner and offer your service directly. This will help you get high paying client faster. How much money can you make from freelancing? Freelancing income depends on your skill level and how much effort you put in. Beginners can make $500 to $1,000 per month, and intermediate freelancer earn $2,000. Remember, $2,000 to $5,000 per month, and expert in high demand skill can make $10,000 per month or extra. The more experience you get, the higher you can charge for your service. Freelancing is one of the fastest way to make money online. You don't need a degree and you can start today. Pick a skill, create a portfolio and find client and deliver high quality works. Once you build a strong reputation, you can turn freelancing into a full-time income. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and comment on which freelance job you want to start.